Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change your password on the Lorex Home app to keep your account secure. First, open up the Lorex Home app and make sure you are logged in. Now tap onto the gear icon on the bottom right corner of your account setting. From here, scroll down and tap onto the account setting option. Tap onto the security. Now here, you will be able to see the change password option. Tap on it. Here, you will need to enter your current password first. Now, enter your new password and tap Save. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of letter, number, and symbol. You will see a confirmation message once your password has been updated. And that's it. Your account is now more secure. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more Lorex tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.